How to turn off HDR on iPhone camera. Start by opening the Settings app, scroll down and tap Camera. This is where all the camera options are stored. On iPhone 13 and newer, you'll see Smart HDR, toggle it off. On older model, look for Auto HDR and turn that off too. This will bring back manual HDR options in your camera app. Open the camera app. You should now see the HDR icon at the top or side of the screen, depending on your iPhone model. If it's yellow or highlighted, that means HDR is on. Tap it to turn it off. With HDR off, your camera will no longer automatically combine exposures. You'll capture more natural, contrast, shadows, and details, especially helpful when you're shooting dramatic lighting or editing later. So that's it.